Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see if someone is busy on Instagram call. When you try calling someone on Instagram and it says ringing, it generally means that their phone is not dead. However, it's important to note that just because their phone is not dead doesn't guarantee that they will answer the call or that they are actively using their device. The ringing status simply indicates that the call is being initiated and the recipient's device is being alerted. There could be several reasons why someone may not answer the call, even if their phone is not dead. They might be busy, have their device on silent mode, or simply choose not to answer the call at the moment. Additionally, if the recipient's device lacks internet connectivity or has a weak signal, the call may not go through even their phone is functioning correctly. It's also possible that the recipient has disabled the call feature or the notifications on Instagram, which could prevent them from being aware of the call attempt. Their phone settings and notification preferences can impact their ability to receive and respond to Instagram calls. For example, their device could be in silent mode, have call forwarding enabled, or their notification settings could be configured to bypass incoming calls. When it says ringing on Instagram during a call, it generally means that the recipient phone is not dead and is able to receive the call. However, it does not guarantee that they will answer the call or that they are actively using their device. Various factors such as their availability, internet connectivity, and notification settings can affect their ability to receive and respond to the call. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.